Today, we're diving into the essential rules and strategies that every aspiring Texas Hold'em player should know. Remember, poker isn't just about the cards you're dealt, it's a game of wits, strategy, and often, a bit of luck. Let's shuffle up and deal. Rule 1, know the hand rankings. Understanding the order of hands from the royal flush down to a high card is Poker 101. Knowing a flush beats a straight is crucial basic knowledge. Rule 2, position is key. Your seat at the table isn't just a spot, it's a strategic stronghold. Sitting under the gun means you're first to bet and must be cautious. But with the dealer button in front of you, you're the last to act, giving you the crucial advantage of seeing others' moves first. Rule 3, starting hands matter. Choose your starting hands wisely, especially in early positions. Early on, stick with strong hands like pocket pairs and suited connectors. That 7-deuce offsuit is a one-way ticket to Foldsville. Rule 4, bet sizing. Your bet size should mirror the strength of your hand, optimizing your winnings without scaring off the competition. With $100 in the pot and a strong hand post-flop, a bet of $70 strikes the perfect balance. Tempting enough for some weaker hands to call while still scaring off many draws. Rule 5, reading the board and knowing when to fold. The community cards tell a story, and sometimes it's a cautionary tale. Facing a board that's ripe for straights or flushes, sometimes folding even a strong hand like top pair is the smarter play. Rule 6, table image, avoiding predictability. Keep your opponents on their toes by varying your playstyle. If you're known for playing it safe, throwing in a well-timed bluff can disrupt your opponent's strategies and give you an edge. Rule 7, reading opponents. Poker is as much about playing your opponents as it is about playing your cards. Notice a habitual bluffer suddenly betting cautiously, they might be holding something big this time. Rule 8, proper poker etiquette. Respect is the name of the game. Good manners go a long way in maintaining a pleasant game atmosphere. Keep your poker insights to yourself, especially if you've folded. Celebrate your wins humbly, and handle losses with grace. Rule 9, avoid tilt. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment, stay calm. After a tough loss, step away from the table for a moment for some fresh air. Rule 10, learn continuation betting. Even if the flop doesn't favor you, maintaining the illusion of strength can be critical. You raised pre-flop with ace-jack, but the flop was all low cards. A confident continuation bet might just convince your opponents to fold, securing you the pot. Remember, these rules are just a guide intended to add tools to your toolkit. Adapt, learn, and above all, enjoy the game. Let's shuffle up and deal.